Hi there, welcome to the world of CAD. My name is Aravind. In this video, we're going to see how to make a cup in Fusion 360. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. So let's dig in.
Let's start with doing a create sketch and on the right plane. Okay, so use the line tool to make a rough shape of the cup that we want to make. Okay, cool. Now that we have a rough shape of the cross section of the cup that we want to make, let's give some dimensions. This is 4 mm. This is 4 mm. This line is here. This and this line are collinear. Cool. Now, the small distance is 2.5 mm. This distance is 7.5 mm. This is 76 mm. This is 6 mm. This is 3 mm. This is 27 mm. And finally, this is 39 mm. Okay, now that it is defined, let's finish the sketch and do the revolve feature. The profile has already been selected, as you can see here. Let's select the axis as this one. Okay, you can see that a rough shape of the curve has been made. Click OK. Now let's give some fillets to smoothen out all the sharp edges. So these edges as 2 mm fillets, and this edge as 2.5 mm fillet. These two edges, let's give a 5 mm fillet. And all these 4 edges, a 3 mm fillets. Also, one more area to give the inside edge. Let's give a let's see. Let's first click OK here. Let's give a 10 mm fillet here and click OK. Now that's somewhat making a shape of a cup. Now what's missing is the handle of the cup itself. So to make the handle, you can do many ways. One of the easiest ways is usually sweep feature. So to use the sweep feature, we need a profile sketch and a path sketch. Okay, I'll be also using a guide rail to make the handle. Why? I'll describe while using it. Okay, so let's first make the path sketch, and that too inside the sketch that we have already made to make the cup. Let's use the line feature again and draw a rough shape of the handle. And let's give some dimensions. This is 26 mm. This is 30 mm. This angle is 50 degrees. This distance is 15 mm. And also let's give some fillets of 10 mm is here. Both these vertices. Okay, cool. Now let's click on finish the sketch. Oh, before that, I forgot to cue the guide rail. Okay. For that, let's completely select the path sketch and click on offset. You can either use the shortcut here or click on the drop down arrow and select the offset here, or use the keyboard shortcut O. Okay, let's give an offset of 4 mm and on the opposite direction we require. So click on flip, click OK. Also, let's join this point to here. Okay, now click on finish sketch. But you can't see the sketch yet. So to make it visible, click on the drop down arrow in the sketches menu and click on the eye option. Okay, now you can see the sketch. Cool. We now require the profile sketch, right? To do that, let's first make a plane passing through this point and tangent to this. So at 0 degrees, it's exactly the plane that we require. Click OK. And start a new sketch in this plane. Draw a center rectangle here. Okay, now we require this center rectangle, the center of this rectangle, to be coinciding with this point. So select both the points and click on coincident relation. And now at that point, we require this and this point to be equally coincident. Okay, cool. My mistake. Okay, also let's look at the, okay, cool. Also give a dimension of 10 mm by 8 mm to the rectangle, and also give fillets to all the vertices of 3.5 mm each. Okay, cool. That's looking pretty good. Let's now use the sweep feature. Okay, let's first just use the profile and path sketch and see what happened. Okay, select the profile sketch and select the path sketch. You'll see that somewhat the handle is being made, but see at the other end of the handle, this is not what we require. We want something that will meet at the cup and not intersect. Okay, this is not what we require. So to make it more better, we can make it better by giving a guide rail. Okay, so select the guide rail as this line. Again, it's not meeting what we require, but we can make it by selecting the drop down in the extend menu and click on full extents. Okay, so now it's looking good, right? Click on join option here and click OK. Okay, now that looks right. Now let's hide the sketch first. Okay. Let's also give some fillets here to make it more better. Before that, there's one more correction that we must make. You can see that there's some gap here, right? This gap is also present in the bottom part. Okay. So to fill it, let's use the extrude feature. Select these both faces and click on the extend type drop down menu. Click the object and click this object. Okay. Cool. Now click OK. Select extrude again. Let's go to home and click all these pieces. Select the object, click on the cup, click OK. Now it is connected, right? Now let's use the fillet option to give some fillets of 10 mm here. Okay, that looks. Let's change 10 mm, 5 mm. Okay, 10 mm looks too big. That doesn't look right. Let's delete it and make again. This sometimes happens, though not always. Just be patient about it. Okay. Click on this edge, complete edge. Go 5 mm. Let's see. Yeah, that looks right. Cool. Now let's give a fillet here also. Both these are just 5 mm. So give a fillet once more again. That'll make it right. Okay. I tried it before. Okay, that looks about right. Now the shape of the cup looks about right, precise. So now let's give some material. To do that, go to the render option and click on the setup drop down menu. Click on physical material. So inside that, click on the in this design drop down menu. Let's give some ceramic material to it. Let's give porcelain. Can give any material to it. So just drag and drop into the object. Okay, let's close it. Let's also give some decal. Okay, so you can either directly click on the shortcut here, or again go to the setup drop down menu. Second, click on decal. Okay, insert from my computer. I have already made the decal here. So select the decal, click open, and select the face that you want to add the decal to. Okay, click on this face. So I'm gonna change this angle to 90 degrees to make it better. Let's edit the decal again. So you can drag this to change the size of the decal, or you can just use this one to diagonally change it. Let's just manually change it. Okay. So one thing is observed here. The decal is going into the handle of the cup. We don't want that, right? So just go down the edit decal option and deselect the chain features option. Now you can see that it's not going into the handle. Okay. Now let's adjust it so that it's covering the entire face. It looks all right. Let's increase the length. Once you are satisfied with it, click OK. And there you have it, your own cup. So you can also do some rendering in the render option here. Go to render it. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to get more future updates. You can find this spot model in the description down below. Also follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.